Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. So the first thing we're going to do is take our mini Bowdabra. We're going to put our ruler down on the centimeter side. One side's inches, 1 centimeters. Lay that down. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay this down into my mini Bowdabra. And I'm just tucking it underneath to keep the wire out of my way. Then I'm going to take my blue and red ribbon. We're just going to twist it and scrunch it down into the Bowdabra. And I'm going to now go out to my 5 centimeters, twist it and scrunch it down. I'm going to fold it back, and again on this side I'm going to go to my 5 centimeters, twist it and scrunch it down. And I'm going to come back, and this time I'm only going to go to 3.5 centimeters. And we're going to come back over here and just scrunch that down in here. Again, that's 3.5 centimeters. Take my Bowdabra bow wire, my Bowdabra wand, scrunch it down, take my wand out. Now take my Bowdabra bow wire and pull this through. Pull it tight while it's still in my mini Bowdabra. Take it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot. And this bow could be, you could turn it by adding a ponytail holder onto it or putting a clip on it. Or you can just use it for, like, I take them and put them all over your table if you're having like a 4th of July party or Memorial Day or patriotic party. So we're just gonna cut this here. And now, because I have the 2 different ribbons, I'm just gonna pull them apart and do the same thing here, except I'm gonna pull them in opposite directions. And I'm going to puff this out here and do the same thing with this ribbon here. And here you have this really cute little blue and red bow.